In this video, you will learn how to use and navigate the Subscription Manager tool. The Subscription Manager is a simple and convenient way to access and manage your licenses and subscription. At the top of the page, you can choose the subscription offer you want to manage. You can select your language and go to the Learning video page. And under the Help button, you will find the Online Help, a demonstration tour that can complete this video, the OmniVista Cirrus User Guide, and information about Subscription Manager, and you can log out from the User menu. The first tab, Your Purchased Licenses, lists all the OmniVista Terra licenses that you purchased. In a pool of available licenses, you can export this table into a CSV file and use the dedicated Help button of this page. If you need an explanation about parameters or available actions, you can consult this online help. To quickly find a specific license, use the search option. Each license, ordered from eBay, is listed with the following parameters, and you can find in the last column a list of available actions. Here, the action Create a Subscription, which is explained in another video. All the OmniVista Terra subscriptions you created earlier are listed in a table, under the tab Your Subscription. Note that the Help button displays an online help related to the current tab. Expand one of your subscription with the gray arrow in the first column. This will list all the details of your subscription. Each subscription has a status, ranging from created, active, with and without the co-termination option, grace period, and expired. Depending on the status of the subscription, note that some or all actions are available. View licenses. When you have different expiration dates in a no co-termination license mode, add licenses from an order to an existing subscription. This is how you create a license add-on, upgrading the licenses to a higher service mode, business or premium. Renew the subscription with licenses from an order. And the last action, download licenses and activate the subscription, where you will get the license file to upload to your OmniVista Terra, and where the subscription will be activated at the same time. All these actions are covered in different videos. All the OmniVista Terra licenses that you purchased appear in this pool of license, and you can transfer these licenses to one of your resellers. Note that you find the same license as in the Your Purchased Licenses tab, but the action available here is the Transfer Licenses. This is covered in another video. All your actions on the pools of licenses and subscriptions are recorded in the History tab. You can look for a specific entry with the search field. When you expand an entry, all the details of the order or subscription are listed, and the column Operation details the type of action performed. It can be the creation, activation, renewal, license add-on, or termination of a subscription. After any action, you can come back to this tab and check that the action has been performed.